Welcome to Episode 8 of the Chartered Accountants Global Update, the essential audio newsletter connecting accountancy professionals worldwide. In today's episode, we're diving deep into one of the most pressing challenges facing businesses today: carbon accounting and transition planning. We'll be exploring Chartered Accountants Worldwide's comprehensive carbon software provider guide and highlighting an unmissable event happening next month in Edinburgh. Let's start with a reality check. Carbon accounting is no longer a nice to have. It's rapidly becoming a business necessity. With increasing pressure from regulators, customers, and suppliers, organizations across the globe are scrambling to measure and report their carbon footprints accurately. But here's the challenge. The market is flooded with software providers and startups offering carbon footprint platforms. Some integrate with familiar systems like Xero and SAP, while others promise comprehensive solutions that sound too good to be true. How do you separate the wheat from the chaff? That's exactly why Chartered Accountants Worldwide has compiled their essential carbon software provider guide. And, trust me, this isn't just another dry technical document. This guide tackles the questions you're actually asking. What's the difference between Scope 1, 2, and 3 emissions? Should you use spend-based or activity-based methodologies? How do you ensure your carbon footprint calculation meets internationally recognized standards like the Greenhouse Gas Protocol or ISO 14064? The guide breaks down these complex concepts into digestible FAQ format, explaining everything from emission factors to the pros and cons of different calculation methods. For instance, did you know that while spend-based methods are simpler to implement, they can miss crucial emissions data? A luxury product might have a higher price, but no greater carbon impact than its cheaper equivalent. But here's what makes this guide particularly valuable. It goes beyond theory. It includes a curated selection of global software providers, comparing them based on location, sectoral support, pricing, data types, and system integration capabilities. Whether you're looking for mobile accessibility, multi-user access, or seamless integration with your existing accountancy platforms, this guide helps you ask the right questions. The guide also addresses sector-specific considerations. An accountancy firm offering additional IT services, for example, would need different carbon calculation approaches than a traditional practice, and the guide explains why. I particularly appreciate the guide's honest disclaimer approach. Chartered Accountants Worldwide makes it clear they don't endorse specific providers. This is about giving you the tools to make informed decisions based on your organization's unique needs. Now, understanding carbon accounting is just the first step. The real challenge? Building transition plans that are both credible and investable. That's where our featured event comes in. Mark your calendars for September 18th, 2025. ICAS is hosting Driving Progress: How to Build a Credible and Investable Transition Plan at CA House in Edinburgh. And this is shaping up to be a must-attend session. This isn't your typical talking heads panel. ICAS Director of Sustainability, Fiona Donnelly, is bringing together a powerhouse lineup. Assurer Alison Dunjerovich from Deloitte, Sustainability Practitioner Alex Sutton from SSE, and Investor Joe Walker from Royal London Group. Think about that combination for a moment. You've got the assurance perspective, the practical implementation experience, and the investor viewpoint all in one room. They'll be unpacking how businesses, especially those in high-carbon sectors, can create genuine, trustworthy roadmaps that don't just talk a good game, but actually attract investment and build long-term confidence. This event is part of the inaugural Edinburgh Finance Festival, running from September 15th to 26th. The festival celebrates Edinburgh's position on the global finance stage, and this session fits perfectly into that narrative. After all, sustainable finance isn't just about environmental responsibility, it's about the future of the financial sector itself. The format is designed for maximum value. Registration starts at 4 p.m. The panel session kicks off at 4:30, followed by networking drinks at 6 p.m. Whether you're an ICAS member, student, or curious professional from outside the organization, this is your opportunity to be part of a conversation that's literally shaping the future of finance and society. Let's step back and consider why these resources matter right now. Countries worldwide are committing to net zero goals, but as our Edinburgh panelists will undoubtedly discuss, not all transition plans are created equal. The gap between ambitious promises and credible action plans is where opportunities and risks lie. For accountancy professionals, this represents both a challenge and an enormous opportunity. We're uniquely positioned to help organizations navigate this transition. We understand systems, we're comfortable with data, and we grasp the importance of accuracy and compliance. But we need the right tools and knowledge to serve our clients and employers effectively. The Carbon Software Provider Guide gives you the technical foundation. The ICAS event provides the strategic perspective. Together, they represent a comprehensive approach to one of the defining challenges of our profession. So, here's what I want you to do. First, head over to charteredaccountantsworldwide.com and download the Carbon Software Provider Guide. Don't just skim it, use it. If you're working with clients on sustainability reporting, this guide could save you hours of research and help you ask the right questions. Second, register for the ICAS event on September 18th. Even if you can't make it to Edinburgh in person, the insights you'll gain from this caliber of speakers will be invaluable. Plus, the networking opportunities alone make it worthwhile. And remember, both resources emphasize something crucial. This isn't about perfection from day one. It's about continuous improvement, asking the right questions, and building genuine expertise in an area that's only going to become more important. That's a wrap on Episode 8 of the Chartered Accountants Global Update. This serves as a reminder that in a rapidly changing world, the accountants who thrive are those who stay ahead of the curve. Share this episode with colleagues who are grappling with carbon accounting challenges. They'll thank you for it. Until next time, keep counting what counts. And remember, the future of accountancy isn't just about numbers, it's about impact.